Yo guys, how's it going? So this week I've taken three trades, three good trades. Not I wouldn't say all of them were good though, but the second one was good. The first trade that I took, it didn't make much profit because I was just messing around with the trade. But the second trade that I took, that one was good, and that was on the hourly chart, and I like it because it just went according to plan. It was so according to plan. So I'm going to dive into the chart and I'm going to show you exactly what I saw to make me take that trade. Alright, so when we look at this chart, this is the dollar index chart by the way, and this is the daily chart. We are currently trading inside of this range. This swing high has taken buy side liquidity above these highs, and the range extends all the way down to this lowest low, which has taken sell side below these lows by trading below those lows. So where's the next level of liquidity, which is up here? That's buy side liquidity. This high has punched above that high, but it didn't really reach into it to take the pool of buy side liquidity that we're resting. And also from this high to this low, this range, we are currently trading in a discount price range. So we are expecting price to reach up into premium. So if I zoom in closer, you can see that after we took out the sell side below these lows, we've been going higher, and we had a retracement. This retracement down to fill in this volume imbalance and this gap, and then we traded into this other block candle here, and we just rejected. The bodies of these candles failed to close inside this other blocks range and this gap here, which shows me that price is not willing to go down any lower. So seeing that we are in a discount price range and we have buy side up here, price wants to get back up to a premium, and we also have this gap from about 2 weeks ago. Price should want to reach into that gap. So my bias for this week was bullish. So if I'm bullish on dollar index, that automatically means that I'm bearish on other currency pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD. So let me go to GBP USD to show you what I saw. So this is the daily chart for GBP USD. We've taken this buy side here above these highs by trading up here. Price went lower. We traded below this low here, and we did a retracement up to take out the buy side here. And currently inside of this price range, from taking sell side here, taking this buy side, and we've done our analysis on dollar index to see that price wants to go higher. We are not expecting this to keep on going higher. I'm looking for lower prices. So we have this equal lows down here. Remember, this is a daily chart. We have equal lows down here, and we have this imbalance here that should act as the draw on liquidity for price to return to it. So the trade that I took a trade on Monday, which wasn't that good, but that's not what I'm here to show. It wasn't good not because I took a loss, just that I didn't hold it for the full take profit, so it's not really that significant to me. But the significant trade that I'm proud of was the one I took on Tuesday, which is what I'm about to show. So if we go down to the 1 hour chart, or first let me just show the daily chart to build the context. So looking at the daily charts, this is Friday last week, this is the Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday. So Tuesday, this is the day that I traded. After I saw Monday has reached up here and taken the buy side, if I'm bearish for the week, this is what I want to see. Alright, if I'm expecting the week to trade lower, on Monday I'm expecting price to reach for buy side to clear the buy stops above previous day highs or last week highs here before we start to trade lower, and that's exactly what happened. So this is Monday, took the buy side, dropped down, only left this week here showing you that it's not even willing, it's not strong enough to go higher and go for these highs. So we close like this. Tuesday I'm automatically expecting it to reach for these lows. So let me go down to the 1 hour chart. Right. So looking at the 1 hour chart, yeah. So Monday went for those highs, cleared those highs above last week, and then we displaced. Actually, now that I remember, I took this trade on Monday, not on Tuesday, but it was very late Monday night, and I held it into Tuesday, and I closed it on Tuesday. That's why I kept on saying Tuesday, but it was actually on Monday. So this is what I saw, right? We've taken the buy side above here. We know that our weekly bias is bearish. Price should be reaching down. So you see this long week rejection and market structure shift below this low here and displacement. And what does that leave? It leaves this fair value gap here. Oh, I made a mistake. These are all my annotations that I was trying to hide just to not confuse anybody watching the video. But let me just hide it back again. But let me just okay. We have this fair value gap here, right? I spotted this around 11 p.m. Monday night. Price came back to it. I just took the trade and I didn't even look at it. I just okay, fair value gap here. Just I set my sell limit here at the low of the gap. I set the sell limit and I just left my phone and went to sleep. So when I woke up in the morning, I saw that price has come back to that fair value gap and put me in the trade. I got my entry and it was trading around here into Tuesday, and I took profit at this low here once price got to this low. So that was the trade, and that was the narrative behind the trade. So thanks for watching if you made it to this point, and if you have anything, like if you can drop a comment on any ways the videos can be improved, or anyway any kind of information that you'd like to know about my trading or about me in general, then I'll be happy to share. Thanks for watching.